day everyone. Today we're going to cook a Scandinavian cuisine, a dish from Sweden called köttbullar, or also known as Swedish meatballs.
Guys, and shoutout to you, Ma'am Winona. Honest reaction is, hindi talaga siya masarap. Maalat siya. Hindi, just kidding. Masarap talaga siya, ma'am. Tapos, kung nandito ka lang, ma'am, promise, it tastes so good. It tastes so fine, like a wine.
That's actually a lie. Anyways. Does it taste good?
Reaction video nga ba?
You. Delicious. Liar. How about you? Liar.
Happy, is it good? It tastes so good, wife, like you. Kasama talaga yan, ma'am.
Sige. Let's try balls. Trying balls for the first time. Sarap. Ako yung masarap. Is it good? Wala, sinungaling.
Babe, is it good? It's good, husband.
Kapal ang mukha mo, husband ah.
Swedish Scandinavian cuisine. They were going